Hello guys, for another video from making money online with branch in the med business. In today's video I will show you a great tool will help you to find good tags to use it on Redbubble and also can help you to upload faster. So let's get started. So how this tool it's work? You can just put your keyword inside and the tool give you the best tags from that keyword from Redbubble itself, and also with one click you can import the tags to Redbubble directly. So first let's open the Google extension market. And search for tags generator. This is the tool. Click on Add to Chrome. So now I will show you how this tool it's work. I already created design and upload it on Redbubble to search in the time. So after you just copy your title and paste on the tool like this and click at grab tags. Like you see, all these words and are tags related to the title you enter, and the tool generates these tags from the best-selling product from Redbubble in that niche, and you can rank your designs easily on the first page because of this tool. I tried this tool in the last 2 weeks and I find it useful, and the majority of the tags I use from it rank my designs at least the second page and sometimes the first page. So now click on import. And voila! Like already said, this tool can help you to upload faster on Redbubble. After you finish the upload, this tool is 100% free. You can get it just from Google extension. So guys, if you want more tools like this and you want to increase your sales on Redbubble, I will upload one video a day this month, and also I will show you a methods to promote your designs outside Redbubble. So enjoy our group on Facebook, the link is in the description, and ask anything you want, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned guys, and see you in the next video.